Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Guys, I hope you liked a video called Nico on the Beat, yeah. So go and check it out. And I have to still clean it up, clean my whole entire room up because look, money on the floor. Money is on the floor. Money walk, money talk. Yeah, okay. Nico on the Beat. I still got that song stuck in my head. Nico on that beat. Okay, anyways, today, guys, I already posted on Instagram that today, guys, I'm going to be doing hoverboard knee challenge. That means I have to ride on my hoverboard with knees, and it's really hard. It's really hard, guys. Just saying, it's really hard. Ow. Guys, if you have a YouTube channel, go and do this. And you might get a lot of views. This really hurts, by the way. So just try. If you have a hoverboard, try it, please. Oh my gosh, my knees hurt. Okay, let's go. Let's take the camera. Let's go. Let's open the door. Sorry, my phone's okay. Let's close the door. We do not want mom to get mad. Okay, let's close the door while we're backing up. Back up. Okay, close the door. Yeah. Okay. Go for it. Whoa. Too fast. Whoa. I'm going to the window. Ow. Zoom. I'm moving something. Zoom. Nope. I fell. And the vacuum fell. The vacuum fell on me too. Hoverboard, you're really stressing me out right now. It's really hard. Ow. And it's really hard getting back on. And zoom. Ow. Whoa. I can't do this anymore. Okay. Let's do this. And Whoa, I almost stepped on it. Okay, I'll pick you guys up. I need like 2 hands for this thing. No! Madison, you want to hold this? Well, okay, I'll just put it right here. Okay. Zoom. Whoa. I don't want to run in that chair. Stop. Whoa. No, that way. Okay. Sorry, but I have to sit down. Zoom. Whoa. Wait, turn around. Whoa. Try not to fall. Whoa. Yeah, this way now. Okay, ready, guys? Zoom. Try not to fall challenge. Whoa. And spin. My knees hurt. My knees hurt. I hurt. And then go like, okay, ready guys? Ow. Ow. No. You guys can barely see me. Okay, listen. Hold this. Okay, point at me. Well, no, give me it. Zoom. The phone. Zoom. I'm moving. Ow, that got burned. Whoa, Madison, stop! You're following me. It's scary when you follow me. I'm clear. I spin too much and I let go of the phone. Whoa. I'm spinning so fast. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm spinning so fast. Oh my god. Oh my foot. Ow. I'm so dizzy. Okay. Hoverboard, you're warm. Need a break? No? Ow, my foot. You ran over my foot, hoverboard. Okay. Let's get back on the hoverboard. And then put you guys like right here. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, my butt is showing. No. I mean, my knee hurts. Whoa. Okay. I'm spinning like crazy. Hello. Da-na-na-na. Whoa. It's fun. No! I'm dead. Wait, no, this is not the hand. This is the knee challenge. No. Ow, I ran over my hand. Ow. Whoa. Look at it. No, wrong way. No, I want to get in the camera view. Ow. Sorry, guys. I need to get in the camera view. Coming. Ow. Just Anita. Whoa! Oh yeah, you should be full, right? Oh my gosh. My knee hurts. My knee hurts badly. No. Okay, ready? Whoa. Nope, too far. Okay. Whoa. No, wrong way. Ow. Hoverboard, get back here. Okay, alright. Okay. Whoa. I don't want to get a broken up. Whoa. I got flued. If that's even a word. I got fun, I guess. Whoa. Okay. trying to get back on, but the hoverboard doesn't let me get on. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa! It's upside down, that's why. I think I'll stop. If you want a part 2, like and subscribe. But guys, see you on the video. Bye.